Sounding the alarm about nightmare superbugs in our hospitals, now in 42 states, highly contagious, deadly, and drug-resistant. We'll have the new warning tonight.
Antibiotic-resistant bacteria.
Drug-resistant superbug.
Antibiotic-resistant germs. Antibiotic-resistant.
It's resistant to virtually all antibiotics. So when an individual gets this microbe and it invades the blood or invades tissue, curing them becomes very difficult.
What do you know about antibiotic resistance? According to WHO, the antibiotic resistance is one of the biggest threats to global health, food security, and development. Antibiotic resistance can affect anyone of any age in any country. Pneumonia, tuberculosis, and some other infections are becoming harder to treat. Antibiotic resistance leads to longer hospital stays, higher medical costs, and increased mortality. But how antibiotic resistance can affect the gut microbiota composition? Can we use probiotic as an alternative? If you want to know the answer of this question, watch my upcoming video.